Daasity Dan here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use our retention performance dashboard to build some really cool segments that you can export out of Daasity and load into your marketing platform. So one of the most interesting things that we do at Daasity is give you these customer segments and allow you to see how they are compared to this week, last week, or even last year. So let's go down to our customer movement last year versus today tile in the retention performance dashboard. You're going to want to click on these three dots and right click on this Explore from here. That's going to take you into this Explore. And once we're in here, we can go and use the data that we have to go and basically build out our list. So let's say I want to take people that are high value customers today. So I'm going to filter on those individuals. I'm going to remove this out. I'm also going to remove this out. And instead of looking at what the segment was last year, I actually want to filter on what it was last week. And so I'll get rid of this group as well. So let's say I want to find out all the customers that used to be multi-buyers last week and now have become high value customers. So how do I get their info? I can just click in customer info, click on customer, pick the email address, and I'll go run this as a table, and it's going to give me a list of all the email addresses. Now make sure that you have your row limit set because you might end up with too many people. And this is a super exciting list to pull because think about, these are customers that have purchased multiple times. They just became a high value customer. You really want to go after these customers and say, you are special, you are the best. So that's all you have to do. You can go and of course pull other sorts of segments, but this is a great way to go and generate that list. All you now have to do is just download it as a tab or CSV and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.